beautiful people, how are you doing? It's another beautiful day. If you're new here, my name is Charity Kalunda and welcome to the squad. Thank you for joining us. So on today's video, guys, I'll be showing you how I sleep with my braids, like a comfortable way. As you know, this is the hairstyle in your fashion sign knotless braids. So mine are not knotless, but I'll be showing you how you can protect your knotless braids when you're sleeping. At least they quite comfortable kidogo. So with me I have my bow. I believe most of us own one. So the first thing, I'll take them down and always be gentle. And we section them. Like hazikusumbui, like nywele kusumbui tena. Alafu mine is silk. Like it's advisable to sleep with silk scarf ama anything yenye ni silk, because it does not absorb mafuta ya nywele. Si kama cotton will suck the nini hiyo mafuta kabisa. Kwanza after blow dry, why hata when you're sleeping with stop. I'm gonna sleep. Unaona huku at least ukilala na hisi they are equal. So don't make a mess here ukose ku take them down. Let's say ulikuwa umefunga ponytail like toanisha, ndio isikuwe like ukitake hiyo kitu ya ponytail on this side moja itakuwa kubwa kuliko nyingine, so it's good kutoanisha kabisa. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you'll learn something. I'll see you next time. Bye.